In this video, we're going to walk through how to configure a simple pivot table, then move on to some more advanced table options. With a report open, click the pivot icon at the top of the report. Now we have an unconfigured pivot table. Double-click the box to reveal the pivot table interface. Pivots are tools to query and visualize your data. To pivot your data is to segment and filter it in order to view it from different perspectives. To do all of that, we need to add some data first. So click on the Report Data Source button and type in the Search Datasets text box the name of the dataset you want to use. We're going to use Portfolio Steering Contract Level. Give that data a click and you'll see it populates the Fields section on the left. There are two kinds of field in your source data. Value fields, such as claims, premium and profit, that contain only numbers, and category fields, such as region, year or client, that can be used to segment the value fields. First, we choose a value and drop it into the value section. In this case, it's showing our total claims. To segment that value by year, we need to drop that field into the category area, rows or columns. We can segment this data further by adding another category. We're going to use region. Notice the arrow on the right when hovering over a value. This is for number formatting. Decimal places, magnitude and text alignment can be adjusted here. If you're showing the number in a shortened form, the number shows on hover. You can also show the totals for columns and rows. For more granular segmentation of your data, Quantemplate pivot tables allow you to create nested categories and show multiple values together. Drag the values you want to work with into the values area. The light blue line highlights where the new value will go. We can nest categories in rows or headers in a similar way. Let's segment the year category using the trad non-trad category. Now each year is displayed with the premium value split between trad and non-trad in the rows area and region in the columns. We can go further by adding another value to the table. Here we've configured a table with the premium, claims and profit for each region over 10 years. If instead I want to see premium, claims and profit by year, click the Settings button and choose one of the Format Table options. Values switch from displaying as columns to displaying as rows. Now we have premium, claims and profit by year. Aggregation. Each cell in a pivot table shows a segment of the raw data derived from the categorization options selected, aggregating the raw data to show a single value. Here we can switch between the aggregate value of the premium entries in our database segmented by region, the number of premium entries in our database by region, and the mean values of premiums by region in the database.